Good morning, my country people at the throne, and big salute for outside here. Another edition for our favorite program, Country Meeting, the Onden Gumba House way, men of God, traditionalists, in fact, business people, musician, artists, all man. In the end of that side, she don't for Chakara small to for talk about the thing that happened for inside this week country way. We will Chakara plan to this morning time, my country. But any idea before we come back for know who and who be my neighbor in this morning time. First of all, you find someone who come back for try to see all the things that don't happen from Monday to Friday. We try for Chakara to for show and before come back, she don't watch here. Dialogue and so for she don't talk about and move na two na give na own contribution. Then any man too go fit talk your own for talk about things that happen for inside the country. We go start now Palava Church this morning time. Rolando in the press button this morning time. Evangelical Church of Cameroon. 1 year, 2 years. Crisis. Church, it don't divide into two. In fact, some people don't call it evangelical church, don't turn be a political church. How it happen? Church, he get the own pastor, the voter, the other group get their own pastor. Last week, different group come, they hold their own meeting for the evaluation meeting. This week, another group don't come, say we will hold our own meeting, now our own proposal and this will give them. People they want to say, why this kind of thing again for the happen for inside the name where they call the name of Jesus Christ for that side for inside the one. So we'll talk about them, thank God say so we'll get two men of God to where they don't take church, she don't for side where go to for table. Why this kind of thing again for the happen for inside Palava churches and for inside this country where this so we don't hear how plenty pastor will come for say one can preach, there's no now you go preach, you want say no, now me again for preach, you want say no, we don't vote now the one. SK again for business for inside the body of Christ for inside this evangelical church of Cameroon. The crisis now, it don't pass 1 year, 2 years, it go 3 years where they see the inside the crisis. No man he never ever struggle for solve the problem. They don't even carry palava Jesus Kitu. Go out and go court. Send me court in judge. Tell who will be the true oga. In fact, from compare series so they were not really strong number for things that happen for inside their own the government for that side. They say they don't hold their own small evaluation meeting. They say they don't come out with 12 proposals. Church, it don't turn to politics. My brother, we will answer that question small time. Maybe come for that side, Master Orlando. Take we go to that side for can't you behind. You can't you be there for display. They can't take for back. Marché the share. You know the Marché Congo. It don't burn two different markets. It don't burn. Dr. Finton alas doctor, he don't decide say business period they play the be bon made a pack go for can't you. They don't get magazine. They don't get even now for even start paying. Some people even want to say, why they don't believe them for the play when they build the first side, they want to take two sides and begin build at one time to finish say decision. When I get for pack go for that side, even though they never give deadline, but any day we update us. So we'll try for the discuss and we'll talk about the thing that happened for inside this country. Then we talk to Masterland Palava strike. In fact, lecturer for University for Douala, they bring on strike again. Orlando, with their blackouts. You know that so this week, workers them they will come out the strike. Say their salary for 25,000, 36,000. When go they pay them, they don't even pay how, they don't even send picking for Sukuru. Not to even talk of say married woman, with that kind of salary. Now they can't see the push for go cheap. Lecture and two, they come out the strike. Say their own, that the allowance them, when they do research, do can't to read it, go now, you never pay for them. Since you say they want me all this one, so it's tough for that time. All money tonton one that say so. Whose side will you go with all the things that happen for inside? We come to Orlando. Carry we to go for University for Gaundering. Well, lecture and two, they be even though the two lecture they become on the check Palava and wait for that time down they talk about 300 million where that money they were never paid them since December 2018. Say what thing they happen? So they tell them they do how they live how they pay tax how go do what I say they do how okay man they say no problem is solved. I don't make a tingling phone call because they say Cameroon na telephone they share Cameroon if organ never talk say do am nothing happen so it don't call for treasury for that side they say no small thing need for call you don't call Yaoundé. Yaoundé say no outing at Changu say they go pay that Nchu. They say Nchu no come. Nobody will go back the strike. So we'll talk about that and we'll see why all this kind of thing them again for the happen for inside this we come to so and how we get for do for so many kind crisis them it turn stop for this side. Another strike action where it will go on for that side for Belabo. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, no latrit. Now the big fish. If you watch television, change channel so for your own house. People be like, say, they don't tell they say, maybe na la cocoa they on a waiting. Now say they come up for street. They say, wait till we want a latrine. If we don't want to give a latrine, when I make a me and you put the put them cover that side. But they say, I generator is supply life that side because of interior village, they go and put a generator sometimes, then they go put this solar system, put battery, then they supply that. They say, how they go show 1 moon, 2 moon, 3 moon. And they been foul. They been foul. Sometimes too, you need to give smoke on no matter say they come go find their own job. Now so Oganjo to come up outside the block road say motor the enter motor the come out. We must strike before something come out. As we come out to for that side for Belabo, we'll come back and talk about that. So Palava and you more take when I go for that side for Tico Mastaroland. Tico, you go that side for Tico market. In fact, inhabitants of Tico say they don't work and go and you go write book. This high tension pole, it don't broke for under. They don't write letter. They work and go to foot. Go say, Papa, when I can't move the pole, he put a different one. Because if the pole fall, with the Latin way they pass on top, we will know where yes, 1 or 2 per on that, where yes, it is so 30 to 50 or 100 per on, and sometimes you go catch fire. Say, when I can't do all things for change that electric pole, you say, I don't fall bend one side. Yeah? We don't the phone and for sure if some strong breeze can we run the phone when I receive the way they show that pole if it turn be that they right show me the second video and see how the pole system it don't crack for under they don't go write book leave am for the same go now it do something make this and your people they make the struggle they turn the work that work proper as they begin for do for that side because when poles are broke so sometimes we don't turn and fall on top of them for that side for Tico and you try for under the pole you say so way know the pole now don't turn be now half die for that side tell the pole don't crack they present where now what's this. Allah, they say no, we allow hope now Canada. I bet when I hell we. Okay, we two go talk and you. I bet when I go to go move the pole before you fall killing people for that side. Another one say we don't even allow fall. Now for a day, Roland, press button to move down for a day. For a day, for a day one. That's road where the lead go for that primary school and that secondary school. Now, pour this, you don't fall from down for ground. Block road. Now play with picking that they pass for go for school, primary school, secondary school. Normally they pass. This image they film after 4 days when the electric pole it fall. We don't sabi if na for no what Osada they go say and you can the fear for go for fish so that if you go popcorn is time for fry. Even for a day when the fear wait you. Now say pole they not there. Because when people say play the highest pole, they will come for that side for inside division for Campbell, then all that side. But now we root to you don't turn. I say if they put on the one, not begin put the strong iron pole. Then on how any country man will get for trouble for Chakara the tourist monitor. But talk about all the things that happen for inside this country. Rolando, they want to not strong number. Move go Kribi. For that side for Kribi, now the one we put the tonton the one that say this so now Roland. No more go Kribi first, Rolando. Before we go for enter Palava accident. For Kribi, where they so some 8 years old Pekin, he do it, he fall for inside. Even though Masalan said this, so he want more talking about the one. Okay, the one that Palava accident where it happened for this side for the Udwalan Consumer Highway. 4 people. It means say, Mommy, Papa, 2 Pekin them. They die on the spot. For that type of Jongo. All man the tonton one that say, where to be the cause? Some people say na high speeds. If you do a family, you the one that na yang moto, you the one that overtake one time each jam with that gongoro. Yeah, that is the whole family. They go put 4 cops on them so for front of the compound, 2 picking them, all in the down the spot. So that is in a pothole the road or from the road, and they require the national road. The motor can go for corner until they can't allow use na engine so for cut time before we move the cover for outside go and for mortuary repair talk to this so we get for look up for power this one and why this thing they happen for inside of country power which kind of mistake or na so if you don't be plan for that side Orlando. So with the other accident we happen for that side for Bunaberi Milk Corporation as we done the first for showing a part of accident them. For that side for Douala for presenting for Bikoko that play road safety. Road safety, in fact, they want run way for run no day. They burn the Okada and Roland show President Musia as we done the struggle for showing Palada accident for that for Bunaberi. Precisely for that for Bikoko way they so okay, Roland, in fact, no make I'll give my one slap for back there. The one where we some will go for Kribi. Now 8 years old Pekin in mama Senam go carry water for where? You go carry water, no man no sabi what happen no. Now so different man don't come go carry water, a pocket, a year pocket harder than all thing. Who is now wait now some man don't carry pocket for inside where. They want look at proper. Now Pekin for 8 years, he did for inside well. As the chakara on a toriso, the bikini mamma, the owner for the well. Kitu they say, on a give hand, they put the hand call, the second I can't go explain. How you will carry 8 years old because let me go carry water for well. Owner for well. Why believe you are well open? In fact, the owner say, now my well, I don't been to listen, I can't carry water. If I been locked my well, family don't carry water, they go say the woman a bad woman. You don't think away, you know what I mean, put the carry water. Whatever God don't give, I'm free of charge. Until they say, we not been Samuel, na baloko, na how, na some man don't push a picking for where. No man if you really talk about it will happen for inside this country, make control, more country will come back for talk about this one. Rolando, carry me now go for that for dollar for talk about Palava accident and we put it on one that we do so road safety. He make a for that side for dollar for where it is so Rolando go before for that side for Palava accident for dollar for it is so for that side for Bonavide. This shepard they wanna shoot them when I see them so 2 people die on the spot. This Okada they born and so now road safety, their Okada them where they don't come back and they do control for that side. They block road with the tire. According by law, when you want to do control, you start signal from far away, put plug for middle road where person one come in start slow. But when you can't reserve, say something for before. The man is saying the major should don't for that side. They see some 3 Okada and they come down. Then 1 or 2 in the 5 road to that Okada them. One time as the Okada they struggle for dodge that time, the road safety they don't put up for road. Now so way he grind 3 Okada. 2 then die on the spot. The other one they kind of go to Wasapita where they be fear sometimes another one will go die again from one. Now so Okada put them for Carrefour Music, Rai, carry tires. Now so all the night they come out, they go off for they met up that boy there, man. So when they want to enter, will say, "Una come here." Thank God before they want to age and then them two, they be don't hear the 2 reach before them. They struggle for calm them. They first think that Okada them burn them. They say they want to know the and then they only carry them, secure them, put them inside. But they say they can't go explain. Wait to happen before these 2 months then die for that side. But even though plane driver they say, "Oh, thank you when I plane because I don't make and people they be comfortable. They take 1,000 to 2,000. They don't go there and leave. They not there again. You know somebody say they go a lot of don't change. But see the 2 and as some student Simon Gonderi. You come up for that plane no Gonderi. Then they say when I close school go back for us. When I come out, I go see friend. Like that, you don't come on. I part them now. They talk to the crying and die for that side. When we come back for talk about all the things that happen for inside the country. Rolando, who continue not to this time around for talk about price for Mulu, alias beer. They say Cameroon man and he beer. In fact, no yoke, no try. Price for beer where Oga Minister for Trade even talk say, I don't mean Sabi that me press come back as he been there. You know, we hear say Oga Minister is don't sign up. Even though on legalized Congo say they come up with say that day where they hold Dungamen for Yaoundé for sign say price for beer again for go back for up. Say Oga Minister even leave meeting halfway so you know been Sabi say this so now something of politics. The price for beer, you don't turn it high back. And now any barman they put price in feed here. You can't tell my beer is 700, you want you take or you don't take. If you want to say my beer is 650, you like and you don't like me I sell my beer for the price one time. Now Cameroonian na consumer and now they declare the matter. We don't sabi who the control waiting. We don't sabi waiting the happen. Then another one way the tonton make people they don't say this 2019 finance law, where they put about excess duty for we don't add tax them for importers, so they bring this cigarette them, bring this one and let's go begin the other element for that side for work. This 2019 finance law, you don't make a plain business for the say life will be very expensive. But so other people they talk this so this 2019 finance law it go help local companies that they produce for Cameroon. Then the one that they bring up wine called they import for wine, they bring like cigar, they bring this wine them, whiskey them. Now them go the young way for poor because container way maybe the move for poor for 37 million. It come automatically price it don't go up to 91 million. Container for cigar where they be the pay custom duty for 37 million. Now it don't go up to 91 million. So put the one that say this so why over that increase of price one they say this so they make it so that the local company they produce they go fish share now for very good rate. Then the other one they when I imported one them now only they now them so they go prefer now for buy Cameroon own. They know only we can go buy the white man own white man. So they want for promote local made products and now but local made products too. Yawa too in the lack. More come over that side this time around. For talk about another palaver for the way they talk to it in that palaver accident for palaver accident. Rolando, let's go ahead for control naturally. But we just so remember that side for Douala for talk about this other one. You say kata beef, with the elephant them. Every day they enter belly from dog far away. They work for water, go for Wyman country, enter. This one so they catch it for Bonabedi. About 3 to 4 tons for kata beef. 100 for elephant, if we pass 300, means they talk about 150 elephant and go up where they don't kill them. They just work out and now no man been sabi. And now some ONG they come laga where they work in hand to hand with judicial police where they put on for these people they transport this product so then they hand enough for foreign guys say when I continue for do what you have do. But some people when they catch it, what they go do next? Maybe they go sell them or go sell them to back for one country. The money enter and go na kwa or they go tell me na baba business but who no be sabi or because they not tell the way how they go do with them. But they want to move forget move no begin kiki what animal them for cigarette say one find money for one man we take car then go sell go transform and bring a customer for plenty money. But also remember for that side for Garwa this time around for talk about local made products. Eh? Now some quarter for that side for Garwa for Jambutu. What happen for them? You should tend to them. This man for inside compound they catch some man for that side where he specialized for make you see the content he make fake vinegar. And the supply. It is supply. It on in fact they call it imported. But a local made. And if they use this tentu, they use that for mix pen, for use that for house. Instead, if they mix them, mix chemical them, then instead what I say, I'll put them for them, they can put them for chop, they use them like vinegar. In fact, now so Jana they put in hand. They say don't even wait say me they sign warrant of arrest, no for warrant of sight, no, they just broke for a house, sell all thing, lock all thing, they tell man can't explain. So people say, I bet make you not go for before you go get choco, then they leave you, you can't control, you can see carton, then you get all material, Jana say, Kai, Cameroon and they get hit. But how we go do for Palaba quality control where it lack for Cameroon? Price controllers they outside. Quality controllers you go see for books say no then they but why did they do that work? Cameroon they also consume fake product every day. It is same for Wasapita. We return white man that slave them again and the more work for the consume own product system where the one way they find for that side. But we come for that side for talk about Palaba thief for that side for Limbe where they so inhabitant for Limbe they catch some young boy in fact people they want to go for Shaman time 6:30. I was saying on my break so he said he don't go for house because all man say when they get toilet for outside when you woke up, see all man be empty clothes because time they say oh Timano. The small of that young guy should don't for that. He don't woke up the time so young guy you come on go for backside. I think go for backside for go watch. He go taking between that kind 10 to 15 minutes. So he enter inside the house, take telephone. I see one come out so neighbor see I'm go lie. He want take marathon they holla. People they come out they blocking out. They say where he beg when I sorry me. They say you don't the thief sin when he say my brother say na poor he don't tonton na wait tonton how life for that side they only beg they say so no they no go beat you they go only hand him for Kitu so they go give for Kitu go tonton go move for that side I go continue to enjoy life for that side today we'll take one or two for talk about another accident for that side for Bunaberi. But think when the man would go back for inside the accident for that side for Bunaberi Masarolando now because say this accident for Bunaberi day now two Okada them they met up to tell some Okada man for where we did for the level where if it die na that some people change some tie on that I be kind of only some school picking for back if no tell you the accident happen nangamoko for Gary tell they only run cam that only the tonton for do na wetin they tonton for find a play where pulse I don't fall within them they pick am for that side while some other people struggle for carry people say they carry that man with so one eye don't even come on high police motor AC in the pass so but they tell na police motor go stand up for do it for carry the people and go to WhatsApp. Share na go they turn on they find out they find a play back down for poster. They pick a water they shoot. Where what about money for that side they die. Police motor reach AC at the reach so see them see that place for down so they no even stand there. They continue to go na go. But the one cancel an accident. It happened when the motor don't jam or they see that person fight. That time they go jump down, come carry una go time because they tie the cash now smoking will come out. Now when they see an accident where they now they go burn that petrol now carry and go for that stuff. Somebody say no even go there they put petrol for that motor and say they begin work a help cabin and them. But they come accident they only pass that on a pass one time continue. Now instead Ben Kimbo they struggle for break taxi for carry people and go to what something any other country man. To read there plenty after the year we go come back now move first take small break we dance small cha-cha. Then time will come back, we will enter now for inside Tori for proper way. Rolando.
Love Nation.
If you are born again, oh, where you there? This one a Christian party, oh, make we celebrating the one way die for we and rose again. My brother, where you there? My sister, where you there? Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Oh, make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the center and do ya too. Show make we do cha-cha, eh. Make you know they should down for bank too. Shake we do cha-cha, eh. Christians all around the world. Je suis né de nouveau. Aujourd'hui c'est la Christian party. Chai, we go dance, yo. We go dance, we go do cha-cha, eh. Celebrating the Son of God, the Most High God. I'm born of God, I'm a perfect single, oh. All of Zion, it is time to celebrate. Oh, it no matter where you dey. So we go dance and jubilate. Oh, Christians all around the world, see I am calling you. If you are born again, oh, where you dey? This one a Christian party, oh, make we celebrating the one way die for we and rose again. My brother, where you dey? My sister, where you dey? Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Oh, make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the center and do ya too. Show make we do cha-cha, eh. Make you know they should down for bank too. Shake we do cha-cha, eh. Christians all around the world.
Lift up holy hands and magnify his name, oh. Give him all the glory and all the praise. Calling everybody, like exalt his name, oh. Celebrate the one who died and rose again. Yakamu Jojo, Ijo Jesu Komole, Jijo Chacha Egbe Soke, Ijo Jesu Repete, Jaka Beremole, Be Mama Ke Baba, Jaka dance with your dancing shoes and dance.
If you are born again, oh, where you dey? This one a Christian party, oh, make we celebrating the one way die for we and rose again. My brother, where you dey? My sister, where you dey? Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Oh, make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the center and do ya too. Show make we do cha-cha, eh. Make you know they should down for bank too. Shake we do cha-cha, eh. Christians all around the world. M-A-R-P-E, the word of God in me. I'm invincible. Celebration time. Christ is risen. It is time to celebrate. Oh, it no matter where you dey. So we go dance and jubilate. Oh, Christians all around the world, see I am calling you. Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Oh, make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the center and do ya too. Show make we do cha-cha, eh. Make you know they should down for bank too. Shake we do cha-cha, eh. Christians all around the world, make we do cha-cha, eh. Make we do cha-cha, eh. Make we do cha-cha, eh. Make we do cha-cha, eh.
Love Nation.
If you are born again, oh, where you dey? This one a Christian party, oh, make we celebrating the one way die for we and rose again. My brother, where you dey? My sister, where you dey? Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Oh, make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the middle and show your style. Make we do cha-cha, eh. Oh, yeah, come to the center and do ya too. Show make we do cha-cha, eh. Make you know they should down for bank too. Shake we do cha-cha, eh. Christians all around the world. Je suis né de nouveau. Aujourd'hui c'est la Christian party. Chai, we go dance, yo. We go dance, we go do cha-cha, eh. Celebrating the Son of God, the Most High God, I'm born of God, I'm a perfect single, oh. All of Zion, it is time to celebrate, oh. It no matter where you dey. So we go dance.
Celebrate. No, what's it? In fact, that means not shoot you. I forgot to go and day. Papa, go on. Any for the people time it on the Tonton country, we find someone. I know say one time with the stress what we go through with all the kind of thing. At least we need for dance more cha-cha. I say, I never see that all camp at long. I don't see about that television. So what did not happen now? Now we see the channel as all music. So I'm not been servicing as a young boy like you. They knock down to here. Good morning, Master Cha-cha.
Good morning, sir.
No, I talk like say now you simple you avoid the high now you talk like say you avoid don't enter but how?
No, fine.
Okay. But I don't cha-cha, I don't make man stress more. You don't think the man of God don't cut out that side?
I don't see how.
Man of God. Nothing happen now.
So that na dance for cha-cha.
Yes. Okay, now you been telling so you don't sabi you. Now you don't sabi cha-cha.
I don't sabi. Hey, my uncle said the enter today.
Any people at least you find us in fact na man of God, Prophet Blasius, you know they take chair she don't you wanna Mr. Cha-cha for this side. In fact, ITC University, this all na
UNIDAC University.
UNIDAC, master. I don't name the one. I go find that kind of UNIDAC. Na American University too.
At Turkey University.
Okay, the one at Turkey. Na ICT be American University. That people they do university with the for house. Master, I don't know. I didn't understand it here. Man go there for a house for Baribo. You go school where school there for Yaoundé. In fact, ICT now welcome the morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll say when I did punky.
No, we didn't.
Neighbor. UNILAC and
UNIDAC. Yeah.
Okay. And ICT. Countryman, if I say more enter now for the Tori proper for start for talk about it. In fact, I don't feel show now. Then we'll cut break for relax more and shake body with the cha-cha. Maybe enter now for the Rindo Garment where we'll start for Chakra Tori this morning time now with Palava Church. This one the way put on Tonton to tell you this. So this evangelical church of Cameroon. It don't turn up politics. Why politics get for enter for inside church for Cameroon? Evangelical church is one of the churches where they respect and give them respect for Cameroon. But now, don't turn me the wrong way. You are a wuru, Yawa don't turn, pastor in fight, church don't divide into two. People they don't know whether it is so. They go get for a year for the pastor, they give for a year for the pastor. Now, church don't turn me the wrong way. For Sunday, the pastor will come for preach. The other one don't prepare for camp preach. You go to say, no, now we preach. Now, this one, the man, the preach. They want the church, I don't want to preach today. Why, man of God? Prophet, when you see this kind of thing that happen for Eastern Cameroon, the church will hold a own meeting. They say they are big leader. They carry them go for court. They don't even suspend all the two leaders that they fight. Say no one will go sit down for chair for control the church. When you see this kind of thing that happen for inside church, wait till you figure as your corruption and wait if you be the problem where it goes straight for the kind of stage.
Yeah, I would like to thank you for that question and thank Cameroonian the way that you watch me. And for top anything concerning church, anything that concerns Christianity or Jesus, it be very complicated and it's not.
It overcomplicate.
It complicate in the sense where because not all kind of human being will not be well. That is, you not concerned for the thing of God. Yeah. If you really talk with you, concern
the thing. Now why I don't train that boss if you kick him?
And we just pray because the house of God may not be like a playing ground for politicians and for can play their game. Yeah. Something the way they talk, the way Bible tell we inside the book of 2 Corinthians, say God, will God be a God of not a God of this organization, but a God of organization. That means if we not be organized, because Satan be ready at any moment for enter inside any church, destroy that people, scatter that people. But put inside our own mind, say any house get your own problem.
Any house get on trouble.
Any house get on trouble.
But right to the extent they get to carry church go down for court.
Right to the extent they get to carry church go down for court. None of all man where they inside church be be picking for, that is the person will believe in God. Because some people they dey inside church when na their flesh they act. So when they dey inside church when na their spirit, when you're into Christianity, you suppose allow your spirit me act, not the flesh. Because for the moment we allow your flesh to act, many things will go wrong. Why I talk so? Some people they dey for church where they define their money. Some people they dey for church where they seek. The one the way they be where they define their money, now the one the way they bring this confusion. So it only be now for the evangelical church. And not stand for condemn they say it's a bad say na bad organization or bad church. No, na good church. But because there are some individuals. Now, some individual, the way they inside them, where they want to try for tarnish the image of the church.
Now, so the church of divided into two. Some people they follow this pastor, some people they follow the other pastor. For inside one church, how they solve this kind of problem?
Yeah, for the only thing now, I say Christian they pray for the church. They suppose pray for the church. And
but when you talk about prayer, in fact, if say that prayer. True say it be shaped like Trump for Norwest and Southwest for Norwest because church they need only pray and pray. Some people they don't even pray except their prayer finish. But still yet with blood and they die with Norwest and Southwest. This particular evangelical church, it don't pass 1 year, 2 years. They beat pastor them, they accuse some pastor, they don't even pack some pastor. They pack some pastor in all type of a house for Douala here, move it by force. So accuse say don't rape so get them for church, give belay for get them for church. Then they put different pastor. Why all these things?
Yeah, when we talk about prayer is the key. Even since for primary school, all we go primary school, the sing song they say prayer is the key. Now the only thing that we ever save for any situation. If they take way for back for anglophone crisis, so it's they happen. We will not ever take God not a human being. God can never be like a man. Where then they will God use for answer prayer for your own people. You not pray now, say no, I pray me the things you have. God not a human being, not like me and you where they talk say no, I want me Mr. Michael give me I pray me Mr. Michael give me 10,000 today. I call Mr. Michael, I say Mr. Michael give me that 10,000. He say, Master, my brother can't take him. God need the add that kind of way. God need the answer that.
But the very Bible says,
some people they want to
you shall be given. But
then
they not say through
the Bible not still tell you say ask and he will give, you shall be given automatically, immediately at that particular moment that you ask.
I will ask until I need and today they give me after 10 years.
One thing we do for sure now say when we pray and when we ask the asking, God when God will look at you, he not look at you as Mr. Michael. He will look at the faith in you, the belief in you. Asking when you were asking, that way the asking, escape be believing the ask this thing so he will give you. Escape believe it. So see we be for clearness, say we pray and God get time we go answer we.
God get it there. Okay. But ICT. I don't say when I've been a part of a computer, they say sometimes I never believe you've been Christian now. Yes, well, you see all these things that happen for inside the body of Christ. Which you figure as their own contribution. I don't say man, I don't say had a bubble. You have moment and with me it's in Naka.
As man of God don't talk prayer is the key. So to me too I believe say the need for pray and like he talk and God go answer at his own appointed time and God's time is always the best time. You feel the church say one time, the answer now, but God gave own reason why he say if he answer now, you know go work as if one time. Yeah. So he gave own time we will answer there and it own time, like the best time and at the appointed time.
Okay. All to your God do am, if fine. You say it also. Yeah. All to your God do am, if fine. God want your family, if fine. Yeah. But sometimes I don't make and God want your family. Always say thank you God, thank you God. So what do you figure about your contribution?
For me, as Pastor Ron talk. God will look at your motive. Why if you want something, it depends on your motive. Is it going to that thing? Is it going to bless you?
You don't start again. You go to the grandma just one time program finish. Give my minister come there. Mark, don't pray for money. Yeah, I mean no thing. And then the talk to her here. I bet Chakara talk with at least Ibu. Sorry, okay, you go here now. Okay.
So God will give you. When God want give you something, he know say he go give you that thing. He no go destroy you, and he no go take your love away from you. So as my brother talk, God's time is the best. Yes.
Okay. God, his time. Now he be the best. Yeah. If God the time maybe the best, you know that thing happen for this people for Kambeto, Marché Congo, where they market on bond for 2012, market bond. Right, let's get that email for country for that side. So for Corner and Central, they don't prepare for bill since 6 years ago. The market don't ever terminate for floor. Now any the other side will come to run born again. Now that part and government of territorial administration, you don't can give small to the same government delegate me do all for them two market again. Now they don't decide to me all business people them way they be there for that side, me they pack their caco. They go for that side of country. Now for the people the day, now for the crowd in day, they never build the place, the place be insecure, business people say no, they will go now for them. People they don't know say this so they go day, it will take long time, they will go past some will go past 2, 3, 4, 5 days, you know say no one to pay for the other side, I need to be managed. Now two sides they don't burn. See why they don't even take the other side, leave people they manage the sale for one side, then after they finish bidding, after 1 year they send that people for the new side, they don't bill them, then other people come back for, then they start bidding the other side, now they don't attack the two sides, they bid at the same time, then they send them now a bit far from place where people they know say that they sell their kind of products. Escape business go free worker. If you know how Douala they transfer market go to different area. Escape go be you see and say that decision it go work which video my own contribution.
Okay, my own contribution again for that is say you know say businessman when businessman don't dey for one position for long time, for it to go for different place it is very difficult because the people wey they can't buy, they can't do it. They only used to for this position. So that different position for them, for move them for they go for they, it would they strong for them. It would they difficult for them for maybe they adapt to the other side. So now which with them they face with them, no one for go for that new side they don't give them.
Because that new side it will be like say it go stress them. Now first of all the marketing offer board. Number 2, they don't forget money for buying because they can get them to 200,000. They get for pay house, picking again for go school, mommy get for child, they say other one. Mr. Blasius, what do you think as your own contribution or for talk about this issue for market issue where they transfer and send up a new site where they need to start construct temporary places them all the one where business people suffer and put a lost 2, 3 stories, one they even see get on one capital where they get small money so they feel even continue business. Then what you figure as your own contribution if you get something for tell governor delegate?
Yes, I get a lot of things for telling governor delegate. If even they hear me now, me try for even find me or call me. I'm not saying a big man.
Okay, you know they call the corner. They'll just send that to they'll send that
to one thing we do for sure now, say my papa for heaven, nothing ever allow that kind of thing happen because I'm serving a living God. So all the issue of market for the bond all the time. I don't know because normally when something happens, we're supposed to go for the root cause of the issue. Escape they don't first ask themselves questions. Wait till it happen where all the marketed the bond. When I remember past years ago when this Anglophone crisis be start, Bamenda market be born, until fruit market for Bamenda be born, many shops they be born, and by then they be saying na Anglophone they born because of the grievances. Why they not just think say no? Cameroon, they don't overget problem. The Cameroonian, they overget problem. Then with some person say even will call so go bond market. Some person if you will call you go set fire so go in. Me they think of that one. Then now for transfer market from all for transfer market for sideway day for take and go a different area. They get right for just call a general meeting. Me they call meeting. They sensitize these people. They call the business people. They put they ask the question. Because normally, would you ever work some normal common sense day where would you ever talk for quarter, say majority win the vote? Call the business people, they put them down, ask them question, wait till they like and wait till they don't like. Government be now for work. Government supposed to work for the people, not the people to work for the government. Government supposed to work for we. So me they call the people, they ask their own opinion, wait till they want, and if the majority say we want at this, me they see into it. Because for job transfer, as my brother talk for for transfer market with businessman already or some place, either the customer they already know it, they know the area, they know how the fee can get it. Transfer that very business place now to a different area. They show say you need for start again back at rest.
We don't forget thing for sale.
We don't forget thing for sale.
You can transfer it with your material for sale if better. But now they transfer if they empty handed you.
How you for start again?
I'll go for that talk with someone or 2 people they say this, so they go for people they get big magazine them, go take small material, the very thing they be deal on, can't put them king sell. When they sell one day for evening, they go back the one remain, they go back about the month 99, the one they don't sell. So that something they talk for money for even get they want to go feed their families. So now they transfer now go for different area. Now for the transfer the thing they go for that side another Tom business. You want to ask something for that one?
Yeah, Fijo talk say for transfer a business, a market to another location, not be easy.
Okay, no be like una own dinner for na online. Let it transfer on one side and go inside buy before boot
Not be easy, but our 2-1 for talk say these business people they be involved for the market. They need for to see to it whether that place where they don't drive them from there, if it continue the manage and the way they. Or if they don't fit manage them, since now all they go come up with the other place. Me just talk and make government just do some subvention for help them, me they relocate for the other new sites on time, build and some small store the way they fit manage for the new side, find them some transport facilities the way they fit just carry that thing and go the other side. So they go relocate. Since now all they go there, just they say they move one market complete all man the other side. So
the other side.
Yeah, you know go is that true say it will affect them, but it will be lighter if government fit assist them in the transfer.
Okay. Government delegate, you know, I bet for that this business people they move come from outside this time around enter for strike for universities for Cameroon. University for Douala they be first strike last 2 weeks. After teachers lecturer they be strike. They wait after 1 week. Workers they come out they can't strike. You know me again 1 week. Lecturers they come again continue their strike. Saying government never pay their chu. That research allowances, this one, University for Yaoundé too, it don't they own for strike. And Roland, show me to Ngaoundé University too, they did for strike because lecturers for Yaoundé too, they will strike. Do you want to lecturers for that side for Ngaoundé, they did to on strike, say the allowances, they never pay them, they never pay their own small for that side, so they think that they work now how, they do research now how. Okay, now the specialist for university them. In fact, university. First time with wait to you to see and say be the cost for this trouble for university them for Cameroon for government university them. Now say the money not they available. Or now say that the school fees where they pay over small way. No fit take charges for all the workers them. No fit take charges for lecturers them. Or which be the cost where their money for saving government pay their money in the camp.
Okay, many a times which they cause this strike now mismanagement of fund. You understand? Many a times, sometimes we
mismanaged fund house. Sorry for country because the money not be managed by the school administrators. The money they go to the government office for treasury, go take their pay slip for that side, take their money for bank them normally. But they take salary like normal government workers. But now what did happen with this one them?
Maybe the lecturers and they may receive which way they or maybe they work but they may receive the really salary they want time. So their work is they more than which way they expect. It's just like you as a businessman, you will do some work but the work load if they pay more than what they expect. You don't reach some money where they can at times, they don't even come at time. So now they cause them many at times to revoke. They cause them many at times to go on strike because they want the government see which they pass through. They want the government feel their pain. So now why that you see many a times it cause strike for many universities.
Government worker, it go under university, it go take salary for 25,000.
Yeah.
Otherwise it go take salary for 36,000. For this Douala or Sabi,
house rent how much?
Yaoundé the very thing. My brother, what you feature character to talk about that one? Just imagine you're gonna show the one for I don't want for university for Douala.
Get them another money.
And you go take 25,000 for salary. The
thing I say, we get to look and say, country first of all run strong.
Okay, country not strong.
Yes, and better for good thief.
Yeah, better you work that.
Better work that small.
That small one. But you work that small one. How you will live? How you shape away Sabi? that one just you need even prioritize.
Enough fit manage.
If you pay house, how much? What do you go do? Mr. Blanche, I don't think you have the bubble. But breathe small, breathe. Take in, out. Okay. Talk now.
Yes, the amount self known as the problem.
Yeah.
Even if you work for some place, they pay you 15,000. It depends the way you manage that 15,000. If you still manage as today, you enjoy yourself. More than person, you take 200,000 per month.
True.
Yeah. So there's what we call management. So if you know how to manage your money, fine. Okay, now, but the problem with you make me had the bubble for talk for the very thing I say with you. You will see all sides for Cameroon university there is strike. Teacher, lecturer, they strike. No, not student this time around. Now lecturer, and when lecturer they strike, when lecturer they strike, it It means that they strike not because their money. No place, not the way you hear say strike when money not be involved. They just strike because of their money. And what did the government get to do? The government will only go down for street since as they get their army then for arrest or police and for arrest the innocent people. The people the way they stand for build the hope for Cameroon. Like teachers, they supposed to be the highly respect people then for society, but they will still pick the instead go lock them because they stand for defend their right, because they stand for fight for what is rightfully theirs. Go now for inside the very Cameroon government, you will see and see people that you fight for money and not even for a reason. That if you calculate the money, you know reach up to 300 million or even 500 million. But you will go and you see a minister that keep 180 something or 200 billion for a house.
And 3 billion.
So when you hear that kind of thing, it be so aching. The minister will keep the kind what they can, but the strike they go on every day. For teachers, the way that they help and build up the future of Cameroonian, with the for pay them the 25,000. You know if you get them. But now, even if we ask yes, they don't cash the minister, they don't. Who side the money where they cash and who side the money? Operation EPV say no, with the cash with the which day government ever come out so for screen or even talk say okay, move talk since I will start holding one Mendoza, or Atangana Bala, or Kuna, or whatsoever. Since all them, if you calculate money where they don't calculate money where they calculate for the people, or money where we know say it day for the people, they are
billions.
It go billions. But which
only remember they talk about 3 billion. So they mention about the house.
The question now, they ask and I say, who side the money they and who side the money they strike every day.
Like that from Ghana, they call for treasurer from Ghana. They say no, need for call you. They call you. They cannot be managed by telephone. Only through telephone. Hello. I do how?
When I see some video, when I see some people they strike or I see increase of beer for Cameroon.
No, we reach for that side.
When we reach. But when I see increase of beer for Cameroon, I'm glad in the sense when at the year say, look what will happen for Algeria, where president where they wheelchair for more than 4 years, he won't stand as a president. But the guys that come off for road, when they come off for road for going to how many days where they be for road for strike and at the end the man step down. So in a high time for Cameroonians for Lensing, because I don't say I say all Cameroonians if we give our time, small time for instead for do things will be necessary, we go change it tomorrow. We go she don't wait for bar, we drink one mimbo. So if they fit increase that this thing for move some people then for bar, so that at least we go she don't will think because this is not a one man fight. This thing is a general fight. Okay, Cameroon stand because now when we talk of the money we give for them. The money the minister they keep on. It's not a very good tool for Cameroonians for strike for toxin, but with the suffer so deep kind people that they keep the kind of money, keep them for their house, get the kind of assets. They Cameroonians they get right for even come on for the kind of thing, so that any other minister where they think of doing it, you know what do them again.
Okay, Moroland, go for Belabo, see how inhabitants of Belabo they come on for street. Why? They say it don't too much. Eh? Or like you're gonna be no me they leave and me they go back for all there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 months. No light. They don't even get a unit for there for Belabo. Now this generator they don't connect away the supply, the generator don't spoil. They bring different one. No. They need pay the electric bill they pay. Then why they go to suffer? They only chop the common for Belabo. Fra wood all the way they carry stock and they carry and go. But they say they not. In fact, they say they don't turn tire. The one main governor get a lighter or radio come. You know even one man move to the phone for film to the talk. They say this so. If one move one film as well when you want talk say no you don't talk say they will bring me generator today. Me say na video they will be talk say they will bring me generator. But how for inside Cameroon for which century would you suffer for palava like it? I see what you figure as your uncle for talk about this palava issue where they come on block those strike. Tell me they give their light. If they don't give the light, no motor no enter and no camion no come out for Belabo.
I think say job be normal. Say me people them pick up some time. Joe vex to say, but how can human beings stay without light? Yeah.
Then you go pay 200, 300 for charge phone.
Then you go pay that kind of money for charge phone. And the age where we take for some level where man no fit do without light because plenty people they transact their business only for phone, only with light. They use not only light. So if they stay with light, no they so.
Even when I'm told they for that side.
But we don't make them for the technology will not make and distance is not a barrier, but we can issue them for light, so it becomes a barrier still. So we just pray that God say, as governor don't go down for street, me solve that people their problem. Say me they get back their light, so their businesses them will continue their activity them.
Me they continue now. The system when you see they come up for street, where they don't come up, so they come out, they do their march passing for block road. It's kind of a normal way that for sick for. Because organic talk say this, so they don't be writing up paper. Talk say if they don't give them light, they will come up for street.
No, normally when something wrong hurt you, I think you go confront.
But administration, it should say before you want strike for Cameroon law, you write letter send up administration. If they don't do this one, when I will come out strike. Even though they say law for Cameroon don't turn political, because when you come out strike, they don't give you authorization. When they want sentence, they give you 6 months imprisonment for Cameroon. They give you 1 year.
But even you write the thing I say, even they write the letter, it will take like maybe forever before so the people they don't decide say no.
Better they don't go there. They don't respect the administration. They don't respect law. Mr. Blasius.
Yes, when we talk of Belabo, we talk of local population. You know, that is expect say me some person way. Normal man where they manage a small room for 5,000, 6,000. If they not get light, they want and say me ye go write letter for administration before something won't happen. It need the work so.
So now only we don't go for street direct.
All they need to organize themselves. They come out, they go, they act, or they stand. Team with I feel advising. I say they for feel organize themselves. They go for the GO office. They stand for they act, or they apply for it in group. Yeah. Not going to the road. But if this thing even happen with Belabo, Mr. Michael, it bleed my heart for the sense say Belabo na place where I know very well, and Belabo na one of the highest places where they produce timber for Cameroon. Timber. When we talk of Sonara, we'll talk of forestry. We'll talk of timber for Cameroon, where they give money for Cameroon, where they give income for Cameroon government. But Belabo get even virgin forest. And if you go for forestry law talks with if they exploit forest or any area, that government get 50%, council get 30%, and the chiefdom, that's the other people that they get 20%. Now that 20%, 30% now for waiting, no now for develop that area. Now for all that thing they so for fight time.
Road, hospital, water.
Yes, and Belabo, we just stand for road for Belabo for 2 hours. You see the number of camion wey come over forest they pass. But why all these things that they happen? Because when some people they take their money, they should not on top, and when you want talk, they will send police or as they see them. So that's not just how our country is. So I just plead. Say if the geo way don't go down, or na governor way go down, we try to get a human feeling. Then he see into this. They are just.
And they chop that don't know. Because they know the right.
For bring that light for day, it no will reach how many? No, cost 1,000 or how many? It no cost nothing. Me just save the population and make them happy. Just bring the light. Only for say me say. As we don't talk on top for you say call, you say Cameroon na telephone. Just pick the telephone, you call, and they will put that thing in the space of few hours. So we just plead with the governor and the GO, we administrators, they say me they just try for help that people. For me they not even over try for think or look which way they chop, because I know say they chop for Belabo more than millions of francs per day today.
Okay, we will just see and you pose for Tico. For Tico, if you imagine say pole, electric pole when a high tension. Roland, people to move see that pole for Tico. It go crack, the fall, they go write letter. Put for in your office, so you do a danger. For who's again? For market. That Likumba high tension, we carry high tension. You know, before when pole already for that kind of level, where you don't crack so na baby danger. Don't mind if you want fall so fall na for daytime. We put it in the market, it will catch fire. If that high tension go fake keep it for that side, but then the right better put away you normally react. This one so they go blame na who. When you know right let I go talk and they say no you no man be can't inform the time way it happened. They fake and blame but put it so they don't in fact they allow them say they film am say that we don't work with the people at office tire they need to react. See poor we don't crack in a big danger. If na even small they carry a black cable, don't know if you fall, that cable will be protected. But they want a virgin high tension. See, this one now, Asa. I see which you if you talk concerning this kind of thing. All time we blame the government. But this one on our company. Or was it blame government say the government never give them some sanction? What you feel talking about?
This thing, palava high tension, it be very dangerous and very delicate. For the, especially in location again for inside market.
Yeah.
If something happen for that pole now, the number of lives there will count.
Market go still burning.
High tension, I'm not going to play with them. So NAO need for take serious action for go down to that immediate effect for go change that pole. If NAO the waste time, need government press button.
Keep on casting for years. Okay. Now the one we don't fall run, show down for a day. You don't fall, make 4 days for down. They put a no sir, I'll be waiting for you. For corner primary school and secondary school for a day one. Now he make 4 days before they film this video. So now they say, Helen we. So then they go show that's why they will come replay the poll. School begin the partner for go for school. Put the partner for day. Now bring motor again for pass to other ones them. The one by that say he be protected. Now black people be protected. They put it up for that and a lot of the pass for them. You might say when the fall. That infuse the for that side.
You don't take tap light.
If it shock
people anyway for this morning.
Would they kind of join? You might say that kind of the fall we fall the like when we fall. It happen now. So you say the fall. No be it go shock because that grass they go to shock. Na big dangerous. Na big danger. Mr. Blanchard, I don't say I had it bleed. I beg no.
Something they happen for the Cameroon where we need to understand. That is Lucifer don't overtake over Cameroon.
Now be Lucifer.
That's demon, devil, society, occultism don't overtake over Cameroon. In the sense where when people they die, now for this some of our big people then they glad and they grow. When you look for the case of which the pass of Bamenda, you see some people they now when they see that body say they just decide to pass them.
Because we don't tire for see no
you
brother.
See accident will happen for Douala, we see police people they motor job pass so. That means they see how they carry their body, but they pass them. Wait now they be for the places they be supposed
for
to
control and take charge.
Control and take charge. This thing they so nothing way all government from government to the lowest people need for big blame. In the sense with it, if you go inside a nail, they get their control department. With their control, they go down for field all time for check all these things. They check the cable, check the pole. But which I would try for advise the local population and I say, when this thing will happen, they already as we thought they be write letter. They go there and they'll say like the one for Chico, and all that book they work accept book. It be very normal. Say chain. That means when I say chain of procedure to follow, it is. When you write note for a no or you write a complaint for a no, that same complaint, I try now for telling my people then for how they say when you write complaint for a no, that same complaint photocopy that complaint, send now for me divisional delegate of water energy, something like that. Divisional or regional delegate water energy for that area. Why not even take the same complaint to deal? Because when things like that, because now the same process that way where they're supposed to follow. Because normally now delegate of water and energy, now then you control. NAO. So deal to naibi Nkukuma for the play. So when they write that kind of letter, they take them for that very change then. So because because someone did one happen with even Dio with one blame Dio with Dio not be aware. Will not be aware. One blame sometimes delegate himself not be aware. Because they all be under the delegate of water and energy, delegate the control, they under on this thing they control. Whether they control all these things. So if that process don't be taken, now they think get right now say something happen, they go out for strike and their strike will be legal and their strike will be with it also with it, they go see into it, say no, they be get right for strike. Because government be aware. Government be aware. And your office be aware. So any action where they take at that time, they explain them again 5 Chico Pray because they open that one. And even for Kumba too, they don't send me their own email too for that's for Kumba market say they so pull them to the run the for one side.
Why Kumba market only market.
So explain that procedure. Me understand that when they write complaint, we say when me they write explain them somebody understand fine. Yes, and they try for make and clear say as a neo day for Sideway it day under a ministry. A neo day under Ministry of Water and Energy.
So for any division where Enyo did where light did when Enyo their light, they get a divisional delegate of water and energy. And that divisional delegate of water energy get your own boss for that very division or for that very region with na Dio, and from Dio you go to governor. So if they write complaint about, because it concerns life and death, if that's in for the number of people the way they will die for the and even if na one person die, a soul where it be lost, God not ever be happy when if one person die. So if they write that complaint for Enyo, me they photocopy that same complaint, attach them with either chief. They didn't even go for their local chief because all side for Cameroon chief they give a complaint for chief. They give even chief he own this thing. Take them for Enyo, take them for that delegate of water energy, take them for Dio, take them for governor. She done that because someone they want to be so way. Sometimes even those people they don't know. And if that people they know, they be administrator. So what they do they get conscious. Although the talk of Cameroon say no na all man get conscious, no na all administrator they get conscious. But someone they get conscious they be God fearing. So one they go hear when they only see him, some person will take him motor. So go, yes, and go for the Enyo office because when big man with big coat reach your Enyo office, hey, you see how you whether they call and chef the service or wait. You go just shake that and come out. So I plead with my people. They say if they follow that procedure, things that will be done even before. Before the action and before they will come up for street for go strike, they will so they complain they don't work out. No, enter now go for that type of crib before see 8 years old pikin, my brother. He die where he go carry water for well. 8 years. How they do discover the pikin and they see the pikin they don't move and so they wrap up that side. The na mommy talk say I be saying me go carry water. Everybody go with his small sister. As you don't go with small sister, they ready play. They go to carry the water you want. The new one, so man push it inside. Or inside a slide on the bucket draw you because obviously go be because they only carry water now. The 10-liter bucket. Sometimes they don't carry that with the bucket on a 15-liter. On the bucket don't draw you by inside well. Police come in own. They take the owner for the well. They catch the owner for the well. They put handcuff. Either for back counter, they take two the picking in Mami High will do same picking for 8 years. In fact, you be part of picking now.
No, that's a good picking. Next year.
Okay, next year. Okay. I will not talk so why we look at any man of married now so they will follow you.
Next year.
Okay, wait till you see. I'm just imagine say you born picking.
Yeah.
8 years, you don't send picking, small picking, me go carry water. Then they take picking automatically they move picking for inside well. How you feel? And what you feel express yourself?
For me, I will blame the mommy for sending picking for 8 years for well because well now play with it very dangerous because looking the depths of the world. See as the world deep, this kind of deep well you send 8 years picking, and you will see if we look that thing fine, you will see say the bucket with the picking user and a bucket heavy pass itself. You will see maybe. Normally, if the bucket na 10 of 8-liter bucket, the pikin will don't carry the water reach for level where it heavy pass the weight. You see, say the pressure or the weight for the bucket, you don't heavy pass the pikin. And during that process, you will see that this thing don't drag the pikin inside the water. So for me, I will blame the mommy for send that kind of pikin for well. So you know they even advisable for send small pikin for well. So you know they advisable. So me, I will blame the mommy.
Okay, I see. Wait till you figure out your own contribution. Now, police don't come. They catch the mommy. They catch the owner for the well. He said, but the catch me say I've been saving waiting. If I be dig the well, so I look and say now only me I put key for it. They will say I'm a bad woman. They don't dig well. They only carry whatever God don't give us for free. Now that you don't dig your way quiet if you are company, very quiet. So you say me Helen neighbor. Now you can't forget I say you don't kill money begin.
It be very funny at the same time ironical. Say you get where for your compound, then it's nice me pay no carry. What happen if you say kill you for night? Yeah. If you send to people and say they can't beat you for no nothing. So if you get where quarter for where especially quarter water no day, from there all that quarter depend on the other way. You know if you prevent people then can carry them. And then you know people should don't call the you can say now who they can carry water, na picking for 10 years, na picking for 1 year, or na picking for you get your own activity there you do and sometimes you be there for your workplace or you there your own thing.
But now police don't carry take put your handcuff.
Police don't put your handcuff now because now you wear say me to talk something. Say we want to read.
We say for Helen na danger. Yes. You know for Helen.
And many a times man no cut to talk. Many a times when police they cancel they can't carry the person now for help the person too. Maybe quarter people into the fit come. they can't beat you. Yeah, say the person don't die for your well, now you don't kill it. You know, so we our African culture, the way we would do. People they feel kind of say, this woman now, which maybe the proper get this way they do your business, they work a fight, and person don't can die for your well. Population of come can't beat you, say maybe now you don't kill that because so many times when police they can't take the person to now for protect the person too during that circumstances for the this thing.
Okay, but protect the person for that circumstance. Okay, Rolando, please go to move see Palava accident for that time for Njombo for Tangide. Rafcat versus Camion. 4 people die on the spot. We say mommy, papa, and 2 picking them. In fact, people they pass to see the image, so they say, yay, man of God. In fact, I beg blow am. This kind of thing. You carry your family. You know say they took it can they score one say national road number 5, but you know say legally Cameroon no get national road no. You don't want to start to market road. In fact, it's not true.
It's a national road.
You want to start to market road where they call national road.
You don't talk at all. You don't talk at all. No man, no man, Cameroon get national road. Because anyway, which will happen is a pity. It's a pity, and my condolences to the family. I don't know if any other family members still remain. Where yes, if mommy die, Pekin die, papa die. It's really, really a pity. So my condolences to the family. We know say Cameroon, for Cameroon here, Cameroon don't be a country where any man do his own thing anyhow. That is a laissez-faire country.
Yeah, trauma hell itself.
Trauma hell itself. If the national road through as we talk PD, control them forever day. The privation rate, I don't even know what they do for the town, say where they go even cause more accident for town the way they make and the people they lost souls. So this thing, so for me they blame that the routier them but the police, and though some individual and truly that they cause the problem too for accident, because some person deal with sometimes you're not supposed to drive for long, because normally as a driver you're supposed to know the number of hours if you drive motor for road. So none as some person if you drive for 6 hours, none that I think drive for 6 hours sometimes not if drive for 6 hours. Sometimes you not drive for this. So that kind of thing that we're supposed to know. And again, no, not because we don't buy motor or get new motor or one try for exercise. How speed the motor fee speed, and so other kind of things. We individuals then we're supposed to be very careful. Why blaming the government? We should blame ourselves too. Why blaming the police or gendarme for road? No, blame our own selves too, so that we be conscious. Okay. We be very conscious.
Now see road safety we run. We just bring that email for road safety for Douala 4 where they burn their Okada them. For Sika 3 Okada where they jam, where they fight road with camion. In fact, 1 student and 1 Okada man, each die on the spot. Ben skin put them for that side for Carrefour Music, Rai, and Double, all they go off there. That put them for council. They were this delegate for transport. Because I didn't set up a minute go for that. I don't know police, even though they be accompanied with police, so that me put no say no say na control for police, but na delegate for transport. The same thing they go control right where safety belt, where I get fire extinguisher. But instead, the road signs them because normally they say Cameroon, even though road signs not even there again for highway. Because when they control them for any place, they give a kind of black out them. They start signal at least 500 meters before you want it for control. But no sign no day. Now who don't say control they want for Cameroon man don't no play all control. Control them for now you imagine for your head. But now you know Sabi, what you do? You can't either run with speed, you can't enter into them because this Okada play the wrong camera, they fight road for close because they don't carry, they don't take tire, they take that tire, man, block road there for reduce road. And the one reach the all the strong and they tired that and they struggle for Dodger place. Camion man he grind these 3 Okada them, 2 people die on the spot. They carry the other one, they run go to hospital. Ben's go to vex saying that the 2 people they sleep for down so they don't die. They come down for that side, take their Okada, then they first burn and they one beat them, some they finish with them too for that side. Now they don't stop the control for that side, they control no day again. But they shall not take that for further investigation, even though the investigation will finish because in Angona now. What you fit talk or do for this kind of situation?
Investigation if I go on now for waiting. They already close the 5 scenes. Because they already close the 5 scenes. When you concern uniform man, case go nowhere. Now whether you see even some of them say when they stand for some place they hit their chest say I fit kill you for here go me free, no man will do anything. When you look what will happen, it happens say even for area where they because around that was side all day. So when you look what will happen,
front kingship
directly from kingship. When you look critically for what will happen, I don't see the rotate them for there. I don't see their work.
That road safety.
Yes, I feel best testify their work for day. You know when the regional delegate of Martin Bangangele, when he become off of power, when they be appointed for that position, if you start some system where if the system be good, that means for say me police people they not go to catch police people they or any uniform man inside bar with uniform for your skin. But now one thing will happen now with you are road safety or police or whatsoever. We don't get that normal sense. So the way when any site where we see a uniform man with the things, that means if you not be the check sense, you will start check sense. That means when you drive, you see uniform man stand for some place, you start check sense. But with these people then, when they don't, because they work together with the transport, they work together with transport officers. You know the transport officers. So when they sit down there now, they will find their small bar, go sit down for the uniform people, they will find their bar, go sit down.
Then a civilian.
Then a civilian, they will wear that their small and they blow whistle. And they will blow whistle anyhow. I don't know whether some of them said they don't even train. So now for them with all these things that they happen. Because if normally policeman, okay, you're supposed to stand for road and you stand
for control. Oh no,
before driver one side, he don't sight you go say
I get for sight you, no be normal you get to put some road signs there.
Yeah, and out of that road sign, if that road sign has the no day for the moment now, but the uniform at least it is signal. So when they even stand, before driver one come out, at least even how many 2 kilometers from, as he see that this thing will start to withdraw, it will start to reduce. It will start for reduce the speed before one can reach your day. But as they not be there, he say no, not only as they should not buy, say no, that two small barrel they create and sell for day. You will see people, the police people, even the road safety for their back. You see people the way they say this petrol, this local. Funga. Just go for their back where they should not for the inside the bush. Or there you see people. So they say and wait them for them now they get every week salary where that guys that they give them for the sale for the escape be normal. So when they go she down there now they leave that guys them for road and they just blow the whistle anyhow they want them. So when camion driver see them or any person, he just the pass say these people they not there for road. Ma pass before they want come out that bar. Now think that way the ever be some driver their mind. Ma pass with speed before the police come out. Because you know see normal civilian can't you get way to control me. So now so all that kind of thing they happen. So I just beg say new Delegate General of National Security, me come again up with that with some laws there with the new minister, not even new minister, I think that 2 years old minister today. And they even call Minister of Defense. Me they join forces together, they see how they feel work this thing out. It go help with it go save more souls.
It goes help with I go save more souls. Okay, Cameroon man and a beer. In fact, this trouble for increase for price for beer, plenty Cameroonians they sit down, waiting to happen. Because when one go deep for see. They first sign the brother, they sign letter say they don't add price for beer 50, 75, 100 was on top them, they don't add price for all beer. You know, 10 minutes I come and say, I don't know, I that when I bring down that price at the whole meeting, they bring down price. You know, again, when you say price of beer, you don't go up. In fact, some people say, envelope, they don't pass back, they don't give so much to the minister. But Congo will get and say, they will hold the last meeting for add price for beer, say, minister. Can attend the meeting half, then as he come out from the meeting or for go intervene for some problem maybe they one come back, it should know this time almost say price of beer don't go up. We don't know how that one will be true. But est-ce que it takes more, it takes more, it takes it takes see you smoke Guinness. You want no joke, but now the increase say this part of new finance law it can bring out. But what if you give as your own contribution about this mago minister of commerce no me not add price for beer, it not stay 1 week, they say you don't sign say price for beer go up. Something not for bank or you need to pass fine?
Normally in the system for the country. So enough is surprise any man.
You know, be surprised
Enough
anymore.
is surprise any man say the price.
My brother, you don't even mind it. Some person move very little. Because I don't think you the shark.
I know
You know the shark?
shark.
So I didn't know.
Take some more.
Okay, they take more. Okay, now you give a number. Now we talk. So you go beer, yes, the price of beer, you don't go up. You will very small, no?
Normally,
The time where the price be come down, you will go celebrate.
normally all consumer them be glad.
Because time the price of beer, it will go up. I be vex small. That day I be take only one man. The time minutes I don't sign for me price, it go. I go celebrate. I take 2 man. But now here against it don't go up. In fact, I never even take 1 man. How for you?
I really talk say the problem, the real problem where the thing then I say, if the price of beer dey increase, so they want use the money develop na the country wey they go fine. Because Cameroonian the way I know, they no get them problem for buy beer because they even increase na 50, but they go show some place drink the one beer where they sell am 600, they drink am 1.5, 2,000, they no dey complain, they buy am. So the price of beer of 50 no go actually affect the Cameroonian them.
You know, change nothing.
You know, change nothing. But the problem I say, the money where they add them, me they use them
For do better thing.
for do better thing.
Okay, move go now. Why deeply the price of beer at the 2019 finance law where they add some excess duty for alcohol, tobacco, cigarettes, wine, and whiskey. In fact, Roland, move get this report because you know say this 2019 finance law don't ask some excess about 25%. So you should say container for poor where they be move am for 37 million. Automatically, you show that container go down for 91 million. Man of God, when you hear that kind of increase, when it comes to business, wine, whiskey, beer, or imported goods in general, how you know get an impact directly for the consumers because you should see price for wine, them imported goods there, even though some people they talk say this all this wine for make and say this will make Cameroon they consume local made products and not they go in for these imported products there. How you see this strategy where government come up with them?
Government they only try na their own Mr. Michael. Government they only try their own. All things which were known as a Cameroon, that's the problem there for Cameroon. The increase and the increase every day and night. When Luke Bagatangana, the minister, be making this thing, if he make the comment, I be hear the comment, fine, I follow the news. I be hear the comment, fine, I say, wow, this is a good man. But then, I know say Cameroon, they say, which way you talk as a politician in front of the camera, not at the same thing. Where it happened behind the camera because some of we don't deal with those things and we know them. So after all that one, me, if you even ask some of my people the way I even deal with them around me during that period, I be tell them say this thing are just a lie.
The
Why
increase?
Yeah, say no increase. Say because we talk say the beer that's the price not will increase.
Yeah. Now you go more cancel.
Yes.
We glad again.
So when they talk to me, I tell my people that are around, they say this thing na lie, this thing will increase. Why I be talk so? Because what really happen for Cameroon, Mr. Michael, to be honest, nothing way Cameroonian they will not start suffer. More suffer they come because things they go increase the more. As far as the crisis they still continue. Southwest na old, I think also Southwest now one of the highest region for Cameroon where they produce I think also where they provide money for Cameroon government.
Petrol,
banana, that's CDC, pineapple, even timber.
Yeah, timber.
Because if you look na zone for timber, the inside Cameroon, Southwest come for zone 4. Southwest na zone 4 for timber for the whole Cameroon, where they produce timber for the whole Cameroon. Southwest na zone 4. So when you look into all that thing, all things for Cameroon, Southwest get them. And now the strike or the action where they go on for Southwest, all these things then they get, all these things they don't be close. I think also don't be
very big impact.
It get a lot of impact CDC, I don't know whether some of us we know how much CDC don't lost for the past 2 years. When the strike is, we not even talk of Sonara. Those Sonara, you know the Sonara, their money too much. So Sonara, once we move, is they like elephant where you go cost small, pay for his skin where you nothing really see and say no, you get. So the money where Sonara lost and where Sonara the lost up to today is too much. Even the timber, they don't stop timber for Southwest. Imagine now, say with all that in them, when Southwest will produce the highest, Southwest they produce I think 65% of GP for Cameroon, for the Cameroon state budget, 65%, only Southwest alone. So when you look all that in there now, you say, I say no, we deep problem. So how things are not going to increase for this thing. So at the only plead now, say with all the explanation why you try for Giam, do a time short, do I for analyze more. Now say me government they try by all possible best. Me president Paul, they try by all possible best for solve this situation, for solve this crisis.
So that they don't get taxes for.
So that they not going to add taxes, then tax is not going to increase. But as far as the crisis not be, so tax go still increase because government go do everything humanly possible. For see how they'll cover up with their own debt. Government get debt, government get a lot of debt outside. So they go see that they do everything humanly possible. And now when they are doing all these things, now we the local people, now we the
suffer because they are pay the extra duties.
When the beer don't increase, now know that the
wine, cigarette, wine, all the pipe.
But I'd be happy if the beer they be here.
Beer, cigar, wine
beer increase so that Cameroonians they go stop drinking alcohol and concentrate on fighting with, because I want a serious fight with the government to see how government will stand up if they sleep.
Okay. Roland Pemberton this time around will come from our side for control for Chakana Tori for talk about the one way people them to the resort of don't want to say this so waiting they go on for we country for Panama this 2019 finance law. This law it don't come now, it make in fact all price for tin them it go up. Rolando, we don't go for Bafia this time around for talk about this. If for last time for Bafia put the one they call an open door day. Yeah, open door date for Bafia. For that side, it been around with the open, they leave door open. Anybody can for court. They try to explain how court it work. They explain how if you want to do the document, you come for that side. But for Bafia, the woman they been for Palava woman they want to for Helen for that side. Then the only don't get the nobody service now so because some people you might say court them this so now only place for big people there, now only rich man if you come for that side for saying the judge matter. But man even start so woman they say nobody even know say if the master die and different man now picking the big chop chair nobody now them to say go inherit that master proper the master proper. So the woman they even glad for all that thing. But so to say when they talk so extreme put them fight in the street. The time when it don't happen, it don't be a different thing. Now you will get money, now you all win kid. Why all this kind of thing going to happen? So Master Chacha.
normally this na organization. Everything for this life na just organization. You see, the way we our family and our government they you know if you really change anything.
No, they program anything.
Everything on the program. Yes. So they just know say anything we go up must come down. So it mean nothing to
it mean nothing. Yes. Okay. See like this kata beef with the catch am. You know kata beef no? You don't chop kata beef before?
Yes.
You don't chop kata beef no?
Yeah.
Okay. They catch about 2 to 3 tons for kata beef. The elephant to them about 300 to 400 elephant to the way. Talk about 150 to 170 elephant. They don't kill them. Just for moving on. So when they say they even kill them, so leave them in rotten for bush. Now with animals that they lost. Sometimes with great grandparents you know ever. You be being like for this thing there. Even though them na forest guy they catch them. Because all they say forest guy they chop their choco. They leave them it pass. Now some orange lager. With judicial police, they work in collaboration with judicial police. They put hand for this kako and a side for Douala for Bunaberi for Douala 4. How is you walk from the bush with all the forest guards around Puna? I said, my brother, when I should take my choco on our way.
Well, I would like to extend my greetings first for the Director of General Affairs for Laga, Mr. Nusi Bayo Clark Wilfred, where he be my classmate for National Forestry School in Bamayo. For saying I good work with the London and the Laga, they always do good work. You know, when for Cameroon, something and day for Cameroon we need to understand. I be there for Ebolova, I be work for Ebolova, get a friend. when a military boy, they call it Caporal Christopher. He be a caporal, no, caporal chef for inside military.
Forestry or
for military,
okay,
caporal chef for military. So it became a surprise to me when he became for me, say he want go for Betua. You want to go for Betua for a mission when I Colonel Seni. So when I asked the mission, he tell me say now for go kill elephant, move elephant stock. You know, elephant stock now one of the highest thing where they give money like cocaine that they use them for cocaine and whatsoever for inside for Europe.
Yeah, they grind them.
They grind them. More not explain the process.
Yeah.
Go make and so people they will go to kill and get them more.
The more.
When that boy can't tell me that in a shock. I say, so now Colonel is sending me. He say, yes, because now one of the highest business where it is. Now one of the highest business where they give on money. You see, and so you see, I say most of these things them not only were high administrators them, high profile people them for inside the government. Because when we talk of government, the military then are government. Yeah. So now high profile people that inside the government they do all the act. And now why that way when you see forestry or forest delegate or minister, they not get some right then. Just take from example, I be work for Mbambo, some village around a day and Mbambo, where I be the control for road. I stop Bobinga for road, a camion Bobinga for road, where Bobinga na bois interdit, that's wood we not supposed to exploit them. Yeah. I stop am for road. When I be stop that camion, it be na a colonel he own for a day. Then the colonel get to call because that it be a mixed control, forestry, gendarme and police will be the control for that place. So the colonel get to call now the chief of post today. Tell the chief of post, me tell that forest I mean leave that this thing. I tell the man say no, they need for provide document for this thing. Me I see them. So only from there they can pick me up. Only from there they can't take me from there. Go so they put me in prison for 2 days. Yeah. So when you see all these things now see what government they despoil them. They despoil all these things. Now go for the animals.
They work for anti-corruption.
We say work for anti-corruption. Where you even go for this thing? Like the elephant or the pangolin, that's the kata beef. Kata beef na first class, na class A of class A animal. Then where class A animal if you anti-fine now you tell say no, it be well protected by government because we get 3 classes of animal, class A, B, and C. So when the class A, when the animal will be well protected by the government. Now the people that get access for go kill them, people that get access for even pass because all these things they not common for this side. It common for each region because na each region or far north because elephant in most come out far north will get the all that result.
So take a
ratio dollar. You now understand the kind of connection with some people they get before you can ratio yet. So I only plead to our government. They say we will try to do our work accordingly.
Any idea? Because time don't talk. I won't enter for part 2 with a business story. First, we'll start with ICT University, this American-based university, waiting there for Chakara to Orlando. Take the spot for us. We'll come back before you go through. We'll tell you more about this ICT University, how they operate, and how they fit you forget to Orlando. Let's get the spot for that side.
Found in the heart of the capital city, Yaoundé, the Information and Communication Technology University, dubbed ICTU, is a US-based institution providing quality ICT, renewable energy, telecommunication management, and managerial human capacity development. It is an institution that is targeted for Africa, Latin America, the Caribbean, and Asia. The ICT University is currently providing degree and certificate courses to over 5,000 students worldwide. The American University in Cameroon offers the following programs: a top-up bachelor degree in Information and Communication Technology, ICT in Education, Information Systems and Networking, Business Management and Sustainable Development, Accounting Information Technology, Accounting and Computer Science, Telecommunication Engineering, Software Engineering, just to name a few. The ICT University equally offers a master's degree in ICT, Information Systems, Digital Media, International Masters in Business Administration. This prestigious institution goes...
Okay, Chief. tell me this university how people dem fit do which be the experience we don just hear all the tori online man fit dey for a house e dey go school just tell me more about this ICT university.
I just wan talk say the ICT university na US based curriculum that is serving the
abeg you don talk big
curriculum.
I don die.
ICT university na American university wey dey Cameroon wey dey serve developing nation and wey Cameroon be blessed for being one of the countries wey e be located in. And like we don know see am for the short video wey play we get a series of courses the way we dey run an ICT, ISN, information system and networking, business management and sustainable development, among others. I want to add and say ICT University dey run courses from bachelor's, master's and PhD. And then we get a new field where we don't just bring am on where now we get do a joint degree in master's and PhD in public health epidemiology, health information technology and e-health. Now a new branch that we run in partnership with the University of Tokyo in Finland. Now a new department that for do public health for reduce the number of sensitize the public about how you feel easily help their brother with the sick, sensitize the public. Then ICT University, one of the things that we would be glad and we be proud about our university, I say we get online classes. Online classes means everything. For ICT University, we not get distance is not a barrier for studies. Any side way you do, as long as you get Android device or computer where if you connect and get internet access, if you attend your classes and the online be real time. That means the same time a teacher they teach for class, even if you then on which side you just connect for that hour, you go follow your classes normally like person way day for class. Another thing will be unique with them now library. We get online library where people when they can ICT University no support for buy textbook again. The e-library get more than 80,000 books and these books can be audio, videos and written documents if you read. So this book can be accessible to all students when you be on campus. If you download and carry and go your house, go read at any time you want time at your free time. So students when they come to school, no get a problem for buy textbook. They ICT University today in partnership with the Academy. The Academy when our partnership with the Academy they give short training courses them for 2 months courses in Oracle, Microsoft, Ohada Accounting, SAS, Sari, QuickBook, Project Management, German, Spanish. If the 200 people they want travel go America or go out of country them, where they will ask you and say, "Mona bring some certificate for sure say you do English." Will you give TOEFL? The Academy will give TOEFL. It will give IELTS. It will give English as a foreign language for people they want travel go learn for outside country and where they will ask them the certificate them. Then for contact the Academy for do this short program them. You will contact them for number 650.
The number that on the screen already. If you take that number on the screen for contact them for this para ICT University.
ICT University, I want to conclude again. Say ICT University to get ICT University Press, where they train printer them, they print textbook, they print calendars, they print brochure. So this press to now another new branch of ICT Junior bring them, where they for train printers them. Print then the print textbook and so calendar any calendar for printer any textbook or any brochure any printing document ICT University Press
so if you just call that thing number on that screen for get to ICT okay any idea we'll get to another some small government to go take it from another university where they go tell we how because some exam day way they do and even though they say this one in fact how we call that one it gets a name from grammar because exam when they can't write and we you don't get they call the people that call it will be grammar.
They call the exam Julius exam. Julius. Yes.
Why be Julius exam?
The Julius exam is on Turkish exam where they permit foreign students like Cameroonians for study for Turkey. We're there on a 90% scholarship for Cameroon students where they want to study on for Turkey. So the exam will take place on Tuesday for 7 academic for Bali, opposite Hotel Serena, from 10 a.m. That's on 2 hours exam. So we permit Cameroonian students for study abroad for Turkey, and the school fees it is very, very low.
Ginger money.
Yeah, very ginger money. With less than 1.7, if you study abroad, if you study for Turkey with your flight ticket, your hotel, your accommodation, everything, your school fees inside. Okay. So the thing very.
Next we will surely come and bring more updates for today. Happen for you. Mr. Blasio, is it a lot of 1 or 2 players will pack back and go time down for cash we?
Yes, so I will throw a salute for my sweetheart first, my fiancée, Dinka.
Wow.
Say I love you so much.
Hey, love 150, man of God.
Throw a salute for my daddy, Prophet Franzi, for our family Franklin. say I love you too, Daddy. Okay. And I throw a salute for all Cameroonians.
We didn't want you. Okay, just to salute one or two people as we pass back on.
Yeah, I just want to salute all man way they watch me.
Yeah, if you get cha.
And if you go on YouTube, your Shepherd.
Okay, Shepherd.
Yeah.
Shepherd for what?
Don't be Shepherd Bushiri.
Okay, okay.
Then my new video, Living God, is there online too, so if you check out.
If you check out.
Yeah.
Okay, for Facebook, Shepherd, if you just type for that, I write it. If you want me to do small cha-cha, I say we do it for you. So we want to salute those 2 for 1 or 2 plus with the
Yeah. I want to salute my tight friend, George Deba, for all encouragement and everything, and all my friends and my colleagues. I thrown a salute.
Okay, ICT, you throw salute?
Yeah, before I want to throw salute, I want to remind all my way to watch we say admission for the mass session is currently going on for ICT University, and say we enroll all round for all semester then. That means we enroll for July, we enroll for October, and we enroll for March.
Okay.
So now, admission is all currently going on. And then I just want to salute the entire ICT University family and board of trustees.
Okay. They don't hear. Any countryman, if you miss this morning time, you feel catch again for evening, even though sometimes for evening, maybe Tonton show, but if you miss them for this for evening, you will get on tomorrow Sunday morning for better way for get the story and they can't get you to happen. If not, I will come back Saturday for Monday for better. We Roland, I press button for that side. Masajan Fanjo is supported for 17 happen. Fine. I don't go Saturday for Monday. I will come back for